Hello, everyone. Today we're going to review the top 3 website features that you will find on waveonline.com. One very popular feature is the download price list feature. This one's very easy to access. First step is you need to make sure that you are logged onto your account on waveonline.com. Then you would just come over here and click on your name. And then you will scroll over under the settings option. The last option here is download price list. You would click on that. This will bring you to a page where you get to select the manufacturer of the price list that you wish to download. So I'm going to go ahead and choose Cyclone. So click on Cyclone and then click on download. And basically what this is going to do is it will be giving you a confirmation here, like thank you for submitting your price list request. It also sends you an email to your email address on file with an attachment, and that it's going to be a CSV list of all of the prices for that select manufacturer. And you can go ahead and repeat this process for as many manufacturers as you'd like to download the price list for. The next feature is a request price review feature. This is very useful. Maybe you found an item elsewhere for a different price, or you have a large quantity purchase and you're interested in finding out if you qualify for any additional discounts. In that case, all you would have to do is go to the item that you're looking to purchase. So in this case here, we're looking at the Cyclone 36RU cabinet. So let's say I have a project going on and I'm looking to buy 10 or 13 of these, and I wanted to get a better price than what I get now. So then you would just click on this request a price review option here. Most of the information will be pre-filled for you. Just go ahead and update anything needed here and click on submit. What this will do is this will send your sales representative or sales team an alert that you're looking to purchase an X amount of this item here, that you're requesting a price review. And somebody from our sales team will be in touch with you to go ahead and let you know what we can do price-wise and send you a quote and help you get your order processed. Another great option or another great feature that we have here is adding your sales tax exempt certificate. So say you're a reseller and you don't pay taxes. So in order to do that, we just need to make sure that we have your up-to-date yearly tax resale certificate on file. For that, you would just click on your name once again. And now for this feature, you would go under your address book. So under settings here, we have address book. Just click on address, because the sales tax exemption is by address. So if you have several shipping addresses like I have here, you would scroll down to exemption management, and here you would select which address you would like to go ahead and do the tax exemption for. So I'm going to choose Dallas, Pennsylvania here, which is one of my former addresses, and then click on add exemption. So this will send you an email to your email address on file with a link to click on. It's a personalized link so that you can go ahead and add your sales tax exempt certificate directly to our system. I do have an example here to show you. So if you click on, it'll bring you to this page, click on add an exemption certificate. You select your territory here. So let's say this is for the Pennsylvania address, not New Jersey, Pennsylvania. Here we go. And then for the reason, the majority of their reasons are going to be resale. Click on next. And then once you get to this portion here, just fill out a little more information. So the sales tax you seek an exemption from, and let's say we are exempt from sales and local state tax, select that. Multiple transactions. Why do you need this sales tax exemption? Because the property will be resold, or any other of the reasons here. Are you able to provide the reseller's PA tax license ID? Yes. You have your license ID, your EIN, click on next. And here you type in your name, your title, sign with your finger, and then you can go ahead and submit your sales tax certificate. So that's the end of this top 3 features. We will be releasing more extensive videos in the future covering all of our website features, but I hope this helped.